Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I made a video. Ignore my dog in the background with his little collar and stuff. But it's been a long time since I made a video. I went on vacation. I finished up some classes. I'm in classes again. Yeah, so lots has been going on in life. If you guys want an update, I'll give you an update in a later video. But yeah, so today we're gonna be talking about my gosh. Today we're gonna be talking about my hair. And yeah, so let's get into that. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, I am locking my hair, which I'm very excited about. I've been wanting to have locks on and off for a couple of years, to be honest. I always saw them, I'm like, oh, they're so cute. Like whenever I put my hair in a mini twist, I'm like, oh, they're so cute, I want locks. I don't want to do my hair that often. But yeah, so I finally installed my own set, and I have 155, like medium small maybe. I'll give you like a 360 view in a second. So I installed this set on the 7th of July, so a couple days ago. Today's the 10th, so I installed them on the 7th. Yeah, so I installed my locks with 2 strand twists, and I wanted them to be small, so I did my parting pretty small. And apparently from the research I've been doing, the size of your part is gonna be the size of your lock. So let's hope that's true in my case. I'm very excited. Like they're super shiny. Like they're super shiny on camera right now. I'll show you the products I used as well. Let's see. Yeah, so this is my second time installing my locks. The first time I had like 132 or 131. The ones up here were smaller than the ones in the back. Like the back ones were pretty fat. Like the first row was a little bit thicker and had less locks on them. Right now I have 6 locks on the back, and the row is pretty thin. Does that make sense? I'll try to insert a couple pictures, because I did take pictures of that set. I installed that set on June 24th in Florida when I was down there. So for upkeep and stuff, I was also doing research. Instead of doing the palm rolling method, I'm gonna be doing interlocking, because I do work out a lot and I sweat in my head now. I used to not sweat in my head that much, but now I sweat a lot in my head. So I'm gonna be doing the interlocking method. You can like wet your hair immediately without it unraveling. And probably gonna do the 2-point rotation. I have to do more research on that, so I'll give you guys an update later for that. So if you, in the pictures that you could be seeing from my last set, they look a little straighter. This is like super fresh, so my hair curls up and I do mini twists, so they should be looking a little straighter and longer after my first wash, which I'll probably do at the end of July, like before my birthday. So I can interlock, or after my birthday my hair is still looking good like this. So yeah, what else? Oh, I braided my perimeter. My hair looks so weird right now, but I braided down a little bit and then twisted, braided down a little bit then twisted. But like this one is really braided down, because this part of my hair and like these parts are like thinner, so I wanted the hair to not come out of my twist, so that's why I braided it down so much. And I know that these will probably lock a lot slower, but I really don't mind. Yeah, like this part of my hair is so much shorter than the other side. size thinner too, which is weird. I think that's all I want to actually talk about. That's on my notes. So now I'm gonna show you the products I used to do these. Apparently the less products you use is the better, so you don't get buildup. So I used this aloe gel, the Fruit of the Earth aloe gel to twist. I use a regular leave-in and some oil when I washed my hair before I put these in. I think the brand is Run Pure for the leave-in, and I put like literally like 1 pump per 4 sections, so I won't have that much buildup, but I just wanted a little bit of moisture in my hair because my hair was feeling kind of dry after I washed it. And then I put a Ayurvedic DIY oil mixture on top of the leave-in, and then I let my hair air dry. So I installed these on dry hair, not wet, because if it was wet hair, it'll been like right here. So yeah. So what I'll be using on my hair, so I can even like lay my edges with this, and I think it's water soluble, so it'll be easy to wash out in the shower. I have 2 spray bottles. This one has that Carol's Daughters a black vanilla leave-in, like literally like that much, because I'm trying to use it up because it makes my hair dry when I just put it on by itself. So it has like that much of the Carol's Daughter leave-in, half water, half aloe vera juice, and then up here is avocado oil. I love avocado oil. I like it more than olive oil. So usually I just shake it up when I want like something to smell good in my hair, because the black vanilla smells really nice. I shake it up and just spray in my hair. And I also have this one, which is more oil. This is for when I want. Okay, this is for when I want more moisture. Yeah, this is for when I want more moisture, so it has more oil in it. It has aloe vera juice, rose water, and water. And this is the rose water I use. I got it from my local Middle Eastern shop. I have 2 of those bottles, and hopefully this lasts me a while. It smells like really good. Like, it's really nice. What else? I'm gonna try to keep my hairstyles to the minimum. Lately I've been wearing my hair down, or like kind of half up, half down like this. Haven't put my hair in a bun yet, or like a high pony or anything. Don't think I'm gonna be doing that for a while, just so I can not manipulate my hair too much. Yeah, so I'll give you guys more updates later on. Yeah, that's all I have to say about my hair. I really want to get into this journey. I'm very excited. So let me show you a 360 of my hair and like all my parting and stuff like that. yeah, so I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. I come back with updates more regularly, hopefully. I am moving, so I'm trying to get that situated, but yeah, so I can't wait to have you guys follow me on this lock journey. And if you guys have any tips in the tips about locks at all, leave it in the description or in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.